On the Australian dollar Japanese yen, I got a short signal. Now, we've got the signal to sell, and the stop loss is placed, and the take profit is placed. Now we've got a trade. So we've got a bias to go short, and I'm looking for a fairly easy trade on this one. So I'm going to put the video on pause because there really is nothing that I can do until something happens. So when that something does happen, I will return. So I'll see you in just a minute. This trade is coming along really quite nicely. A little bit of management. We have reduced the stop on this considerably. And what's left is just another pip or so, and then we'll be out of this trade. So hopefully I can catch that on video. So we are just about there. And that's it. We are out of the trade in profit. So we got the signal to go short in this area here, and of course our take profit. So let's take a quick look at what we made on this one. We'll throw the trade up on the chart. So again, the entry was here, very nice and clear. The take profit down below, and on this one, we made $1,562.28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So over the course of just over half an hour, we made just over $1,500. That is a day that I like to have every day. Thank you very much for watching this live trade video, and maybe I'll see you in the next live trade video.